Hello you guys, it's me. I'm back at it again with the locks. So I'm honestly tired of the length. Like, it's a weird length for me. My technique was making them all the same length for like a layered look, but I think the issue with that is that I don't have enough and they're too big for like layering to actually work. So I'm making a bob, which was the original plan and what I honestly wanted in the first place. But sometimes when I want to do things, I like change my mind at the last minute. So that's what happened. So I've already done this side. It's a blunt bob, and that's what I'm going for this time. I'm going to show you how I achieve that really quickly by just showing you how I cut it and change it into a shorter lock. Perhaps I'll zoom in. There we go. All right. So what we're gonna do. So here's the length, the desired length. This one's just a little longer. I'm gonna cut, but I'm not cutting all the way to where I want to go yet. Okay, cutting a little bit below where I actually want it to go, and then so you'll be able to wrap it up tighter once you do that. And just take this piece that you just cut, wrap it, and you're keeping like the inside piece that it was wrapped around, and you're gonna kind of like pull that out of it, which this one was wrapped really complicated, so requires more explanation than what I'm giving right now. There we go. All right, found it. So here's the piece that it was wrapped around, the Kanekalon hair that is underneath every dreadlock. And we're gonna pull this hair really tight, the wrapping hair, and wrap all the way down till you get to the desired length that matches up with the rest. And then I'm gonna kind of like split it apart. And if you have a hard time with that, because they should be glued together, so you might have a hard time with that. So just cut it apart if you can't do what I just did. But I split it apart so that some of the wrapping hair is down and some of it is up here for me to rewrap it. And I'm just wrapping until I get to the point, like the thin ends. And it's wrapped tightly all the way to the bottom. And I'm going to take my nail glue and dot all the way around the bottom. So essentially you're doing the same thing you would do whether you use fire or use nail glue to make a lock. You're just remaking the lock, just shortening it. And you wait for that to dry a little bit. And then I'm just cutting that excess off, and then to make the ends look natural, after the glue dries up a little bit, you can kind of get messy and like bring it down over that, bring the rest of the hair down over that, so that to give it back its natural look on the ends. Yeah, that's how I achieved that. I just got so bored with the weird length and I didn't understand how to style it, so I kept this length for a very short period of time. So I will come back to you guys with the finished look of my new and improved lock bob. Hello you guys, welcome back. It's me. This is the finished look. I hope you love and appreciate it. I just feel like this is so much better than what was going on earlier. So lightweight and flexible. They're still moving. Actually, I feel like the movement is actually better than it was with the longer length. I feel like they're super cute now and they just work better for me, because all that hair and I'm just in the house walking around just kind of honestly didn't make sense anyway. But this is cute. I can walk the dog with this and be cute. I can go to Chick-fil-A or do whatever I gotta do, whatever little tasks, because we're not supposed to be doing very much during these times. So this works for that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment any questions or concerns or anything. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.